going to be up there taking what is rightfully his. Yeah, I see that.
Yo, boy toy, you say you're the real champ? I say I. Too much confusion. WrestleMania 10, Chico? Somebody gonna decide. If it takes a ladder ring, no problem. There's no rules, no ref, no time limit. Somebody, Chico, leaves WrestleMania the real champ.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the following contest, there are no rules. The only way to win is to ascend the ladder and remove both belts to become the undisputed Intercontinental Champion. Introducing first, accompanied by Big Daddy Cool Diesel from San Antonio, Texas, weighing 234 pounds, Shawn Michaels.
Shawn Michaels has his sights set on Razor Ramon and the Intercontinental Championship over the ring.
And his opponent from Miami, Florida, weighing 289 pounds, Razor Ramon.
You talk about the bad guy. Take a look at him. Here he comes right. These two have been battling since the fall of 1993. HBK was stripped of the Intercontinental Championship due to inactivity.
Right. And after that completely unjust action, Razor Ramon defeated Rick Martel to claim the vacated title.
HBK then showed up with his own Intercontinental Championship and refutes Razor Ramon's claim as champion, claiming HBK never lost the title.
The only way to settle this is here tonight. Both championships are hanging overhead. The first person to retrieve both titles is the undisputed Intercontinental Champion.
Stopped him dead in his tracks. And he threw a hard right hand there.
Ow, big left hand.
How in the world did he counter that?
Reversal. He was able to reverse that.
Razor Ramon sending HBK a message. If you want my Intercontinental title, you're going to have to take it from the bad guy.
I think HBK would disagree with you about who the true Intercontinental Champion is, JR.
HBK wasn't fulfilling his contractual obligations and was stripped of the Intercontinental Championship. If HBK has a problem with that, he should look in the mirror.
But he never lost the title, JR. He was wrongfully stripped of the championship. And now he has to win his own championship back.
He fights it off.
Shawn, way too experienced to get caught by a sloppy move like that.
He goes down hard. HBK dictating the pace, staying on top of Razor Ramon.
Shawn Michaels is not laying down for anyone. He's the rightful Intercontinental Champion.
Razor, the self-proclaimed bad guy, will go to any lengths and heights to defend his title here tonight.
It's not his title, JR. HBK was stripped of the title for no reason. WWE management has always been biased against Shawn.
Folks, Ramon is just waiting to get his man in the right position. Never before have we seen two extraordinary competitors compete in a ladder match at WrestleMania.
I don't think I have ever seen HBK be tested quite the way he's being tested tonight against Razor Ramon.
Razor Ramon is no one to take lightly. Combine that with the first ever ladder match in WrestleMania history, and you have a recipe where bad things can happen.
Razor Ramon says he oozes machismo, but I think he oozes stupidity.
Some people call Shawn Michaels arrogant. One can't help but think that Sean underestimated Razor Ramon tonight.
Come on, Sean. All right, I'll admit it. I'm a little worried now. I didn't expect Razor Ramon to test HBK to his limits.
Razor Ramon is showing HBK exactly what happens when you cross the bad guy.
Come on, Sean. Don't let him steal your title again.
Razor off the ropes. Oh, look out. Razor Ramon's going down to the outside, right in front of us. When it matters most, HBK always rises to the occasion.
It's easy to rise to the occasion when you have a monster like Diesel lifting you up.
Diesel coming in now. Oh, clothesline.
A clothesline right in front of the ref.
He's thrown out of the Garden. Diesel's going to be thrown out of WrestleMania 10.
This is definitely going to even things out.
It absolutely will, King. Listen to this crowd. Listen to this response. Here we go with a little taunting.
I don't like how slow he is to react right now.
And roll back into the ring now. Feeling it out, perhaps, here. Reversed.
Scoop slam.
Good grief. Razor Ramon's going down to the outside.
What's Razor Ramon doing?
He's removing the padding. The concrete is exposed.
That's the sort of thing that ends careers, JR.
The self-proclaimed bad guy will go to any lengths to defend his title here tonight.
Here we go. Razor's Edge.
Shawn Michaels with a desperation move sends Razor Ramon to the concrete.
Just look at this. You can see the results from that move.
A kick. It's not pretty, but it's effective.
Look at this. Big bulldog. Hey, wait a minute. Man, DDT'd right on his face.
Nice reversal. Shawn Michaels, the showstopper.
Oh, my gosh. Turned inside out. Every muscle in that body is battered now. This could be big.
Oh, how close.
Michaels reverses it.
Razor Ramon, who's so big. We have seen this time and time again. When the chips are down, when it matters most, HBK, Shawn Michaels, always rises to the occasion.
And it doesn't hurt that HBK has some serious muscle in the form of Big Daddy Cool Diesel. It's easy to rise to the occasion when you have a monster like Diesel lifting you up.
These two superstars are leaving it all in the ring, taking each other to their physical limits, all to obtain the prestigious Intercontinental Championship.
I don't think either of these superstars will ever be the same. These matches leave a permanent mark on you. There he goes. He's going up. Watch it.
What sacrifice. My gosh, the carnage.
Back into the ring now. Oh, he's up to the top of that ladder, and he's got the championship in hand. Oh,
Come on, make yourself famous on the top of the ladder.
oh. Hey, he's going for it again.
That's brute force. Razor Ramon is just incredible. Incredible.
He's in big trouble.
Right in the corner. Right in the ladder. Shawn Michaels looks to be in no man's land. Electric chair.
Oh, no, no, don't do... Wait a minute, he's setting that ladder up in the corner. That could be really dangerous. How much more? How much more are you willing to pay to win this match? This is unreal.
Well, that's one way to get this match back into the center of the ring. Looks like the aggression is going to be turned up a notch. Blocks the chop. Nice.
Hey, he's going for it again. That's it. He's out.
Oh, my. He's got a foreign object.
I don't know what he's doing with that ladder, but I got a feeling we'll find out soon.
Shawn Michaels looks to me, and he goes running. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that?
Powerbomb. Oh, gosh. Hey, what do you want for your last meal?
That's brute force. Razor Ramon is just incredible. Good Lord. Another shot with that foreign object.
Oh, that should do it. I mean, how much punishment do you have to do in this match?
Easily avoided. Oh, nice block. Oh, nice counter.
Oh, my gosh. He came down on that ladder.
Shawn Michaels looks to be in no man's land.
Ouch. Oh, it's right into the steel post. Oh, man. I think Ramon's going to take him to the edge.
The strength these guys possess to even be able to withstand something like that impresses me time and time again.
Whoa! HBK dodged that one. And there he goes, crashing.
And he's going up. Back into the ring now. Looks like the aggression is going to be turned up a notch. Into a beautiful suplex.
Ow! Hard kick to the ribs. Here we go. I don't know how much longer he's going to be able to go. Oh, he's up to the top of that ladder. He's got the championship in hand. Oh,
Come on, he's got the title. He's got the title. Some people call Shawn Michaels arrogant.
Here is your winner and new undisputed WWE Intercontinental Champion, Razor Ramon.
Razor Ramon has done it. He has captured both Intercontinental titles.
I can't believe it.
Razor is the undisputed WWE Intercontinental Champion. But at what price? What did it cost him?
I don't think either of these superstars will ever be the same. These matches leave a permanent mark on you.
What a matchup with Shawn Michaels.